Guys, welcome back to the channel. I am the Dawgfatha, and today I've got a good one for you. We're going to be doing a direct heat chimichurri chicken. So let's get into it. All right, so here we've got our chicken here. Now we've just got a whole chicken from our grocery store here, and we're gonna butterfly this. Now, typically, we flip this bird over here, and we cut out the backbone here, and we do what's called spatchcocking the chicken. Today, we're not going to do that. We're actually going to cut right through the breast here and butterfly this chicken open. So we're just going to take our knife, and we're just going to come right down the middle of the breast here, and you just be careful going into that bone there, but that's really all we're going to do. Now we've got this exposed here, and we've got this little bone right here in the middle, and we're just going to go right through it. Just like that. All right. And now we can actually flip this bird over. It will probably help if I put on another glove here. All right, so we got this bird here flipped over here, and we're just going to press down here just to make sure we get it nice and flat. We're going to grab our legs here and just kind of lift up to dislocate those thigh bones there, and it just helps that chicken lay flatter, which is going to increase the evenness for getting this cooked done. Now you've got this thing all butterflied wide open, it's sitting nice and flat. If you decide, you could take these wings off of here if you wanted to, but we're going to leave them on. I kind of like the wings, so we're just going to leave them on just like they are. And yeah, now it's time for us to get this thing seasoned up. All right, so now we're going to get this seasoned up here, and we're going to start off with just some good old kosher salt here. And so I'm going to get some kosher salt put on here. We're going to sprinkle high so we get a good even coating here. But yeah, we're going to start with that kosher salt. We're going to come back with our 16 mesh black pepper here, guys. So again, sprinkling from high up. I like a lot of pepper, so I'm going a little heavy. If you don't like the pepper, you don't have to go as heavy as I am, but that's what I'm going to do. All right, so to make this chimichurri, we're going to use Frugoni's Chimichurri Rub here. So we're going to sprinkle some of this chimichurri rub on here just like this. Excellent stuff if you haven't tried it yet. Really good stuff. But hey, we got this on this bird, and now we're going to flip it over to our skin side, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing seasoned up just the same. Coming back with our kosher salt here, and then again with our pepper and our chimichurri. All right, so we got this chicken all seasoned up here. We're going to lift this wing here, get up under this wing. All right, so one thing that I do want to do here is I want to try and separate this skin from the breast here, and we're going to be really gentle about it. But we're going to get this separated a little bit here. And we're going to get a little bit of this chimney in here and a little salt and pepper as well. And then I'm going to get a little pat of butter, and I'm going to stick a little pat of butter in there. And that's going to help this breast stay nice and moist throughout this cooking process. And in fact, I'm going to put 2 in there. Why not? All right, so we got some butter put in there, and I'm just going to do the same thing here on the opposite side. All right, so now we got this butter put up under our breast meat on both sides. We got butter and our seasoning under our thighs here. We're just going to touch it up a little bit here, put a little bit more chimichurri over top, and a little bit more salt, just because I really do love the salty flavor there, and a little bit more pepper. And guys, we're ready to get this on the grill. All right, so today we're going to be using our Pit Boss grills. We're going to use the vertical drum smoker today, guys, and we're going to fuel it up with some harder charcoal. But today I'm going to be using the briquettes. And also I'm lighting it up here with our brand new harder charcoal fire starters here. And these products are available on the Harder Charcoal website, so make sure you hop on over there and check it out and use the code BLACKSMOKE to save. But hey, we got this drum lit up. Let's get this chicken on. All right, so our chicken is going on here, and we got the bone side of the chicken down to protect the meat, if you will, because we are doing a direct heat cook. So we got our baffle taken out of our drum here, and we're literally sitting right over top of the coals here. So you can kind of see the coals down there underneath our chicken. And guys, that's the name of the game, is we're going to do a direct heat cook on some chimichurri chicken. So let's get this grill closed up and let's get this chicken cooking. All right, guys. So we just got our chicken onto our barrel grill over here, and it makes me ask you guys. We're doing a direct heat cook today. So my question for you guys is, what is your style when you cook your chicken? Do you like to do direct heat, or do you like to do an indirect, kind of a smoking heat? Pop that down there in the comments and let's talk about it. All right, so we've been rolling along here for about, I don't know, just under an hour or so. And we've been maintaining our grill temperature here at about 300 degrees. And now we're going to go ahead and flip this bird over here. Take a look. And look at that. We got a great color developing on this chicken. And the bone side is doing exactly what it should be doing in protecting our meat. But hey, we're going to get this closed up here. We don't want our temperatures to get out of control here. But guys, just like that, we got that chicken flipped over here. Now, what we're going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and baste it with a chimi butter. And basically, it just consists of butter, a little bit of salt, and our chimichurri mix. And we're just going to baste this chicken as we get it to completion here. But we're almost at the home stretch here. But we're going to maintain our temperatures here again, 300 degrees Fahrenheit or so. And we're just going to let this skin side crisp up for us. And it's going to be some good chicken. So stay tuned. All right, so here is our chimichurri chicken. It's developed a great color across it here. We've got that chimichurri seasoning just really coming through. We got the butter on here, and it's just a really good smelling chicken. And man, we're gonna get into this here. Now, typically I would just kind of pull this chicken apart, but I'm actually gonna cut a piece off of here. And I am a wing guy, so I want to pull this little wing off because I'm a flapper. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a flapper guy. I love the flappers. Maybe you guys like the drums. Cool, but I really love the flappers. So I'm going to get into this, and here is what this is looking like, guys, so you can kind of check that out. I'm going to get into that, but you know what? I know you guys are probably going to want to see, what does that breast meat look like, though, right? So let's go ahead and cut a piece of this breast meat off of here as well. All right, so here's our breast meat here. You know what? Let me go ahead and cut a piece off it like this, and hopefully you guys will get a good look at how that came out there. But yeah, there you go. Um, Hopefully you guys are getting a good look at that. It is really juicy. Hopefully it's coming across on camera, but it is pretty juicy there. So tell you what, instead of doing a flapper, because that's my favorite, I know you guys probably want to see this. So let's go ahead and take a bite of this breast and let's check it out. All right. Cheers, guys. Mm, this is ridiculously good, man. Good Lord. All right, so this chicken here is banging. It's nice and juicy. The chimichurri is coming through. It's got that herby taste to it, and man, it's just a fantastic chicken. You guys are gonna have to try this out. It's very simple, as you just saw. But hey, not gonna keep talking about it. I want to get into this chicken, so I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. But hey, I'm the Dawgfatha. I'm out. Peace.